Gonna check out everything. Pull the trans and the motor. Check all the bearings. Do some little miscellaneous things I want to do. Check everything, reseal it. There's no leaks though, but obviously I'm taking apart stuff, so gotta use new gaskets and stuff. Right here. Here's another peek. All the Jessels. Here's our 1.8 Jessels. Pack springs. Titanium retainers. Brand new valves. Here are the Trick Flow 365 heads, CNC. But I poured them. All I got is 8 bolts, and she'll come right out. The transmission's getting that new billet. Forgot who makes it. It's a hipster billet, first and second gear trans brake, and it's supposedly the best on the market. No issues. That's getting it installed in the transmission. That's getting refreshed. Well, check everything. And the converter is going to be redone. It's brand new, but it's going to be redone. Get a little tighter. And then, let's see. That's about it. I got the flow sheet on the heads and everything, so they got 7/16 push rods. So there's minimal deflection. And they clear really good. I didn't have to move them at all. Open them up or nothing. These Trick Flow heads are awesome. But just off season, checking everything out. Get it all sealed up and we're ready to go. I might have it dynoed. I'm not positive. So they can adjust the cam for max power on the dyno, but I'm not sure yet. Just depends on the availability and how fast I want to get it back in. But just a short video. I got everything pretty much off. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Thank you for all the likes and subscriptions. Appreciate it. Anybody need anything ported, intake, headwise, let me know. And remember guys, FORCFED, Apex equals RPM. Later guys and gals.